Assalamualaikum. Hi, this is Hira Ansari. Today I'm going to show you in this video the Gog Magog wall, the Gog Magog Yajooj Majooj wall where they are kept, and I'm going to show you different explanations and maps. Um, so don't go and watch till the end, please. And please like my channel if you have not liked it yet, and subscribe it so you will get more knowledge, more hidden history videos with so many references and solid proofs. Okay, so let's continue to our video. This location is Machu Picchu in Peru, Cusco, Peru. ठीक है, in South America. So this location is showing Hira Picchu Mountain. This is Patagosi. This is Sungate. This is Urubama Canyon. There is Aguas Calientes. The hot waters is spring. And these are the two mountains I am going to show you why they are the suspect, and this is the location. This is the second valley of Machu Picchu. Here there is a sun mirror and there is a sun gate. In Al Quran, it is said about the sun setting in muddy water mirror. So there are the muddy water mirrors, and there is a sun gate. Um, in Al Quran, it is said that the time of sunrise, and there was no obstacle from sun raises there. So this is location now. You can see here I have moved this mountain. I have edited this picture and the mountain is here, and this is the location I have pointed because according to Al Quran and according to Bible, and there the mountain one of the mountain uh, was pulled to shrink the distance and the whole of that Gog Magog entrance. So you can see here, and now I can show you. There is a box. There are three maps and hidden maps of that location. This is the eye of Horus, the lunatic eye. This is the ancient Egyptians portrait pointing to the three mountains where the Antichrist or the Gog Magog are kept, because Antichrist is um, one of the Gogs. And this is the cube showing in the Stargate, that the cube is the key, and the center seventh point is the exact key of the missing element of that entrance that exists to that world. So this center point shows to this location, this one metaphor, and this tunnel. All these are located in this center hole. Now you can see when I put it on the location, you can see here the center hole exactly sets on this place. The eye center hole and this portraits cuts shapes all match to this location. If the mountain was not here, is not here, if it was on the right place of this one this proportion, and here you can see all things are setting exactly on the location. So this location is kept, this photo is kept from the point, the exact Machu Picchu, the top of the Machu Picchu. It is taken from the top of the Machu Picchu. Okay, so all these things are setting here. This is the path to the top of the Machu Picchu, where from where the portrait, this picture is taken, and this portrait is taken, is created, imagined. So this is the top of the Machu Picchu. this is this is actually, if you see it in this way, on this location, so you will see the sun gate here in the on the portrait face. Okay, and but if you see that in the on the Google Maps here, these are the Google Maps. Don't leave the video. The video is very important. They are solid proofs. Please. You can see this is the Machu Picchu, top of the Machu Picchu, where the from where the picture is taken. This is the way to the Patukusi. This is Haina. This is Sungate, Puerto de Sol, Sungate. And this is Cathedral Valley, the Sacred Valley. Here you can see I have set that eye on it. The things are setting differently little bit, but you can see this way, this path is going to the top of the Machu Picchu. There is the tunnel, and the Hiram Bingham pointed here, this location marked with Hiram Bingham, because people think that this is the exact tunnel, because when we see it in a portrait mode, the tunnel set here exactly, but in the map view, it and the exact location sets in the one out of the one divided by four. Okay, so this is the exact location here and here. So all these numbers pointing to important places. This is pointing to the tunnel. This is pointing. These are pointing to the two mountains. This is pointing to the old location of the mountain. This is pointing to the path to the view, the mountain where the view was taken. This is Sungate exactly. Puerto de Sol means Sungate, gate of the sun. This is Sacred Valley. Here you will find the sun mirror and their sacred tree. And here sundial is also here. According to the Quranic verse, it should be placed always. It should be placed on a location where there is no protection from sun. So there is sundial also, and there is the here is the, I think, the Arabama Canyon, the hot waters, or maybe here is the Sun Gate, and the mountain where he was, the Zulqarnain went to three mountains now. So one of them maybe is here, or maybe there is something hidden, one out of 16. So we will have to check it only, and all these things are placing exactly. So this is the view from where, this is the mountain from where all the view was taken of this view. Okay, and please let me know if you have any questions. And you can see that this place was this map, this eye was also being taken as a map before, because this Hiram Bingham, the also tried to explore it, and they marked the land, the tunnel here. They thought that the exact location is here, but in this view, the exact location is in the one divided by four. Thank you for watching. My name is Hira Ansari. If you want to contact me for this research, um, feel free to find my contact details in on my YouTube channel in the about section. And this is location is the north side of the, this is the north of the Palestine. According to the Bible, the Magogs are kept in the north of the land of the world. And these are Quranic verses. You can see here muddy spring. So it can be spring also, it can be pound also. There are there is muddy spring matching, there are hot waters matching, there are hot waters, there is muddy spring, there are black waters mirror. So everything matches with this ayah, this verse, and here is the Christian's Bible. The two lofty mountains which are called the children of the north. They drew high to one another until there remained between them about 12 cubits. They drew nigh to one another. So it is said that the mountain was pulled to reduce the hole. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye for now. Allah Hafiz.